If we turn on our infrared camera and launch the Fluke Connect app, you can see the same image on both devices. Take the image on your camera, hit save, and that image automatically saves to Fluke Connect. Changing the color palette, or adding markers for hot or cold spots. Once you're done editing, you can also add notes to the image if you'd like. Hit Done when you've completed. Now that your image is saved and edited, you may want to share it out to a colleague, client, or manager. To do this requires an internet connection outside of the infrared camera. Disconnect from the Fluke camera network and reconnect to another internet network or work off your data network. Get back into the Fluke Connect app main menu and select Measurements. Select the image you were working on and click on the Share icon. You'll see a couple of options for sharing your image out. You can also share out multiple images as a formal report through the Reports option in the main menu. Select Create a Report, then Thermal Image Report. Select the images you'd like to include in the report. You can also edit the cover page. Choose if you'd like to include the visible image or not, or select which markers you'd like to include, and even add in a report summary. When you save the report, it'll be available immediately in the app. You can then share out the report as a PDF or just the thermal image file, or you can continue editing if needed. Both individual images and reports can be shared to any email address.